Okay, so on the lineup for the agenda today, it's got a few things to do. Got to install a new soft top on the whip. This is why I roll the clip. It's 1:56 in the morning. Got up for work. You know, I was parked up at the crib, right? And look. I don't know if you see that well. My keys are in the car. It's 2 a.m. Everybody's asleep. Do I push my window in so I can crawl in and grab my keys, but like I won't have a window. A new lens for this camera you guys are looking at, the Sony ZV-E1, supposed to arrive today. Probably gonna see that. It's a pretty fire lens. I'm not gonna say what it is though. It's 1:30 right now. I'm gonna take you guys with me to install the top. It actually might be like a fucking 2-day install. I'm off for the next 3 days though, so I got time. But before I do all this, I got some Wingstop leftovers from last night. So I'm gonna fuck those up.
Always knew I was gonna make it. Real joint in this bitch, I can't fake it. Disrespect from a bitch, I can't take it. Think I'm losing myself and I hate it. Those niggas die living life too fast. In that cell and that time won't pass.
Look, it's kind of hard to like handheld vlog with a 30mm lens, but car's in the driveway. To my knowledge, all I gotta do, at least right now, take the seats out. Then from there, I can undo the like trim, the like carpet in the back. Then from there, undo the rain rail. There's some bolts down here, I believe, where I have to like undo some shit here. Then I can take the top off. I take this one off of the skeleton, puts the new one on the skeleton. Then from there, should just bolt right back onto the car. I've heard the rain rail's a bitch to get back on though. We'll see. So a little update, right? The seats are out of the car. You know, it's normally stuff you expect. On bottom of the seat, dusty, dirty, blah, blah, blah. Passenger seat though, like it's actually soggy down here. I don't know how I'm cleaning that up. I'm perplexed. So if you couldn't tell, this is me admitting defeat, taking my L, just calling it for the night. I think last I updated with you guys, we just taking the top off the car or something like that. I don't really remember. But the next few steps you gotta do, gotta like undo some springs, some tension wires, and from there you can like detach the old top, the skeleton of the old top into the new one. But I've been at this for 5 hours, and the old top isn't even fully taken apart yet. I've dead ass been fucking chopping it up, trying to like make it a little easier, but it's not working. It also doesn't help that it's really fucking cold. It's like either low 60s, something like that. That's cold as a Californian. It's cold, it's dark, it's 7:30, started at 3 o'clock. I've been at this for about 5.5 hours. Spirits are not the highest, but the plan is, well, the car doesn't have a top right now, so I'm just gonna have to put my waterproof cover over the top. Hope and pray no wind comes by and just overnight. Tomorrow I have a haircut, so I'm probably gonna wake up mad early, come over here, then go get my haircut, come back over here. I hope this is a 2-day job, get done tomorrow. Day number 2. I have a haircut in about an hour-ish, but I go with my homie. His is before mine. I'm gonna get picked up pretty soon. After that, probably gonna grow up with him. Then go back to cooking up the top. I just got up. I need a shower, brush my teeth, eat some real quick, all that. I'm gonna see y'all maybe when I'm putting the top on the car. Maybe. Oh, that's how I decided to show y'all me grubbing with bro. Or like the cut. I don't know. This lens is weirdly fucking heavy though. I'm not used to it. It might be out of focus because this is a manual lens and the screen's tiny. But update on the soft top. Taking a little break right now. Got me a little sweet treat type shit. That's what was left of the old top. Got the skeleton off the top. This is the new one. In the process of putting that on. Should be a little easier than I expected. But it should be a little easier because I'm pretty sure what I thought was the scariest part, like the tension wires. Just like feed them through the top. Like they go through the top. and they like screw in at the bottom, something like that. I'm gonna finish my sweet treat and finish doom scrolling Instagram reels. I'm gonna see you guys when the top's on the car. Maybe the sun will still be up. Maybe. Oh, got the cut. Got my eyebrows done too. Oh my god. So last I updated, I did say the top would be on the car already, but I mean it technically is, but not really. I'll show you guys in a sec. This is such a fucking pain in the ass of an install. Nothing went right. Nothing's gone right so far. The main reason why I'm even in this predicament is because I locked my keys in my car at 2 in the morning on some tired shit. So I bought the new top thinking like, I know it's hard. I can do it though. Let me show you guys the progress on the top. So I got it covered up right now, cause you know, like I'm already done for I'm done for today. Like I'm already spiritually done. The top's partially in the car, but like my doors can't even close because the weather stripping won't stick. There's a metal part up here towards like the top part of the top. There's some screws missing too. So the metal part where like the top folds in to be like fully compressed in there, that part doesn't fit properly. So it can't fucking seal up here. Side. Weather stripping doesn't fit too well. Nothing is sealed off. Nothing is fucking sealed. It's actually so ironic that this situation happens the day I buy my camera. Like I was thinking of buying a hardtop the entire time. This camera and the hardtop, they're roughly around the same price. So I decided to go with this camera because in my mind, in the moment when I paid this thinking like, oh, I can still operate I can still drive my car. I don't need a hardtop specifically. Like yeah, it leaks a little bit, but that's it. Night, like I'm gonna tell you guys like the play-by-play this night, okay? I was at work. I go on my break. I see that my check hit this day, so I was like, okay, I have enough for my camera. So I hop on Amazon, order this fucking camera. You know, all is good. I'm actually like mad excited. So I get off work like at 12:15ish that night, okay? 12:15. Go grab In-N-Out coworkers, roughly about an hour-ish. I get home almost 2 o'clock. So I'm like, fuck, I'm tired. Lock the keys in the car. I get out. Couldn't find the keys. They're sitting in the car. So from that point, I was like, fuck, what do? The back window on my old top, it was kind of like caving in already. So I was like, I can just push it in so I could crawl in and grab my keys. Did that thinking I can just like reseal the top. Like I pushed in some weather stripping, but I could be like, okay, I can just like re-glue it together. Basically, that was my thought process. But I tried that. That shit does not work at all. I wasted like 60 bucks on supplies at Home Depot, and now this top that's 150 plus like 9 hours of manual labor. I don't think this was worth it. Actually, bro, like, and it's actually also so fucking ironic that the same week that this all happened, we had a weird big rainstorm hit California, which that never fucking happened. So rain hits, my car gets wet, and we have this fucking piece of shit Amazon top. It doesn't fit onto my fucking car. Accepting donations for a hardtop. Spirits are not the highest, bro. I feel like I wasted a lot of time, a lot of money. Shitty ass angle, but the top is on the car, as you could tell. It was a struggle. So long story short, since my car is already warmed up, one of my uncles pulled up. He diagnosed it, took the top off of the car. We pulled out a rivet gun, riveted the top together. Piece of the tension wire that I fucked up personally, it was kind of saved. The top doesn't flap around in the wind, so we're good. So hope you enjoyed this video. The top was light. It was not light. It was actually terrible. It was a very humbling experience. Leave a like, share with your friends, all that good shit. Subscribe if you're new. More fire shit coming, no 3-month gap.
The club and we turn it up. OG, we ain't smoking runs. OG and we roll it up. Benjamins, yeah, we folding up. Yeah, that liquor got me spinning. BBS diamonds right on the niggas linen. I ain't even tripping, I ain't even pimping. Got your bitch at the crib and she skinny dipping. Got these niggas all up in my business and my mentions. They do what they thinking. Boop, bop, mink 'em.